Hello everyone, this is Lady T here. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my kitchen organization series. And I'm going to start it off with part 1, of course, and that is my under sink organization. So guys, this is the before, and as you can tell, I have any and everything underneath this cabinet. And I'm going to pull everything out, reorganize everything, and we'll see what we come up with. All right. So if you'd like to see how this cabinet turns out, you gotta stay tuned. So guys, I just wanted to share with you this product that I picked up from hsn.com, and this is just some spotlighting that I wanted to put in the cabinet so that I can see a little bit better underneath. And it is battery operated. You can either stick it on or you can screw it into the cabinet. I decided to use the sticker, so we just placed one on each side of the cabinet. So guys, as you can tell, we have a garbage disposal and we have pipes smack dab in the middle of the cabinet. So this is somewhat going to be a challenge for me to organize this cabinet, but we're going to work with it and see what we come up with. So now we are lining the cabinet. I cut it to size. I ordered this liner from Walmart, and I just, again, I cut it to size. And so here we are going to start with a 2-tiered drawer organizer. They happen to pull out, which is very convenient when I need to, get into the cabinet. I don't have to pull everything out to get to the back of the cabinet. All I have to do is just pull the drawer out. So I'm going to start, filling the drawers in with the products that I use on a daily basis. And as you can see, I am putting in my counter cleaning items first. And those tall items I will put on the very top, in the top drawer. I have to say that I really like this 2-tiered drawer organization item. And I'll tell you why, and that is because I'm able to use the real estate of this cabinet upward, and I'm able to put in quite a bit of product, as you can see, in these drawers. So I'm really pleased with this product. So now I'm trying to cover up the pipes so that this organization will look aesthetically pleasing. And I'm putting in here my taller products, which will be my cleaning products. And as you can tell, they're very tall, so I would not have been able to put it in the tiered drawers. And again, if I needed something toward the back of the cabinet, all I have to do is just pull the drawer out and get what I need, or I can just reach in and get what I need also. And this container was purchased from IKEA. So guys, the next product that I'm showing you here is a small caddy with a lid. This was also purchased from IKEA. I needed to have something slightly smaller because if you noticed on the right door, there are shelves, and I needed to be able to close the door completely, and these are perfect. And so here I have one caddy that has brushes and sponges in it, and then the next caddy has my other sponges and products that I use to clean the stove with. And then the next caddy, I have my dishwashing pods in them. Okay, and I also want to just mention that I will have these labeled by the end of the video. Okay. What's great about the caddies is that I was able to get them right underneath the garbage disposal. And the next product that you see here, I'm sure a lot of you will recognize it, and that is a Grove Collaborative Caddy. And I just put my sponges in that and my cleaning rags, which fits perfectly in that open space. The next product is just a container that I purchased from Home Goods, and what I'm going to use this for is my brushes that I use on a daily basis to, wash dishes or to clean fruit or vegetables. And what we have here is a paper towel holder. We decided to install this on the door as opposed to having the paper towels on the counter. I think it saves a lot of space, and it's just so convenient, and it's just out of the way. Other door with the shelves, I'm just continuing to fill in with other cleaning products. I must say that for the majority of all of the products that were underneath the cabinet, I had too many of one item underneath the cabinet, as well as items that did not belong under there. It's so nice to have it organized now so that I know what I have and what I need, and that's so convenient for me. I needed a place to put my gloves, and so I decided to go to the Dollar Tree and purchase these items, and they stick on the door, and I use the clips to hold the gloves, and so this is how I am storing my gloves. Alrighty, so we saw the before. A lot of things going on under there, all right? And this is the after. So aesthetically pleasing, and I'm so glad that I took the time out to clean this cabinet. And so I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope that it has helped to motivate you to clean underneath your cabinet as well. And I just want to say thank you once again for joining my channel. So glad to have you here for part 1. There are more parts to come, so don't forget, if you have not subscribed, you need to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And so I will be uploading these kitchen series videos every Friday until I am completed. And so have a great day, have a great week, and God bless.